For our hamstring lockouts, we'll need a resistance band, pretty heavy one, or we can also use a rope or jump rope or something sturdy that you can roll around your foot. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to create a loop around the mid part of my foot to make sure that the band here or the jump rope or whatever you're using is not going to slip off my foot while I'm doing this exercise. From here, we're going to get on our back, and then I'm going to extend my leg and get into the deepest hamstring stretch that I can find comfortably here. So what I don't want is to find a position where my knee is bent and I'm just trying to pull my knee towards myself. So straighten out your knee, actually try to turn on your quad muscles here, and then pull your leg into a good hamstring stretch all the way on the back side of your leg. And then from this position, I'm gonna release the tension, I'm gonna bend my knee a little bit, and then I'm gonna push my heel towards the ceiling. When I'm doing the lockouts, I'm not only trying to push my heel towards the ceiling and extend my knee, but I'm actually trying to contract my quad muscles here every time I do it. The contraction in my quad is actually what is stretching the backside of my leg. Because if we just extend and don't focus on contracting any muscles, then I'm just going to stretch the fibers, but I'm not going to teach my nervous system about how your muscles actually are interacting with each other when you move. Because what we want to teach your nervous system here is that when we turn on our quad muscles, then we want the hamstring to relax. Just bend and extend. And then when I've done this for a minute or so, then I'm going to turn my leg across my body, trying to keep my knee straight, turn on my quad muscles, and find a difficult position where it really gives a good stretch. And then I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to bend, extend, and working on contracting my quad with my leg in an adducted position here. Again, work for a minute or so, and then I'm going to turn my leg and let it drop out to the side now. Again, with my knee straight, turn on my quad, find a position where I get a good stretch, and then bend and extend again here for a minute or so. So we're working straight up and down in an adducted position and in an abducted position. So these are the three main positions, but then you can work all the mid part positions as well and see how low you can get to each side. And that is our hamstring lockouts.